Hello, welcome back to another video. It's I've been quiet the last few days, kind of doing work that, you know, it's kind of samey and it doesn't make for great videos. I have the ceiling here finished in the kitchen, which is great. A bit lumpy, a bit bumpy. Need to just blend in where the old wall was now a bit better. Lots of shadows here at the moment, so I won't show you right now. The big thing that was really getting to me was the water. I had a guy come and said, why don't you use plastic? It's what everyone's using now, PER. So I went off today, I bought the bits. He said he'd come back Wednesday and do it, but as he said himself, there's not a lot to it. So I pretty much have it done now. I just need to get down into the basement and connect it. So let's have a little looky. So we bypassed the old copper pipe, and look, I've never seen this stuff before. I'd never seen it in Ireland. I haven't done any plumbing in a long time, but turn on the light there. So we have our water meter here. God knows how we're going to read that. I think I'll stick a camera down there, but I had to twist it around to get this is a manifold here to get this to line up. So from that we have that's our cold water going down to the basement. We then have our cold water coming to the tap. We have cold water supply coming to our hot water heater. So that gives us instant hot water heating at the kitchen tap. So, and then we have our hot water coming out of that. Oh, shit, zoom up here, look. And it's going to our tap. So it's all connected. The dishwasher's connected there. Everything's just connected for the moment, except for the basement. So in the morning, I just need to clear out all the floorboards and all our new flooring and all my tools from under the stairs so I can get downstairs, just do the connection downstairs. But in theory, it should work. Hopefully, no leaks. As I say, I've never seen this stuff before. It comes on a roll with a similar sheet to the electrical supply. So originally I got this today. I was like, oh, that was... Can I connect that? But there's obviously a little plastic tube inside. It's a bit like Qualpex, but thinner, in fact, than Qualpex. Good evening from France. 15 degrees today it was. So it's really, really quite pleasant here at the moment. Our estate agent who sold us the house just called in there. Oh, look. In the basement. Whoa. Spooky. Called in just to see the house. It was really nice of him. He probably wants to sell it. Yeah, so all the stuff needs to come out in the morning, take all this out, get into the basement and connect the water. Water's back on. I'm rambling again. Anyway, have a good evening and I'll see you all tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow should see a day of progress with the kitchen. Once the plumbing's connected, I'm happy that there's no leaks. I can start putting units in. So, happy days.